interesting things at Bain Capital is that culture is clear whether you're in our London office, in the Hong Kong office, or here in Boston. The same things that drive people are true across the globe.
We want to be more than just financial investors. We want to be people that defy the stereotype of this kind of industry.
It's a group of people that are not letting the world pass them by. They are trying to find ways to change the world, to have an impact on the world.
We're all trying to make a difference. We're all trying to build a stronger, better Bain Capital platform.
We all may be looking at it from different angles. There are values and core tenets that bind all of us.
And when we find the opportunities to work together, I think we always find that everyone brings something different to the thought process and something different to the conversations.
The people at Bain Capital, I think, all share the same value of having high integrity and really playing for the long term, not the short term.
And even as we've expanded all over the world, the one Bain Capital feel exists. You can see it in our offices, but you can also see it when we staff a team with people from 3 or 4 offices. They all somehow speak the same language and bond instantly.
We are a real partnership. We genuinely act and behave toward each other at all levels as partners. The way we interact with our companies, the way we interact with our teams, the way we interact with each other is based around partnership.
People genuinely care about each other at this firm. People want to see each other succeed, and people want to watch other people grow.
Our teams have a great dynamics. People make sure we hear everybody's voices, because I enjoy coming to work every day because I think I can contribute. I enjoy a partnership culture.
We want to both learn from each other and help each other to get to a better answer.
It goes across borders, it goes across markets, it goes across product lines. It's the core value of Bain Capital.
This notion of challenging conventional thinking, I think that's a real hallmark of Bain Capital, and really one of the reasons the firm across our business units has been so successful for so many years.
And that means, allowing people a lot of independence to do their best, to work hard, to find out that answer, but also to bring the team together and collaborate and look at it from multiple angles to come to the best answer.
I think the most important thing for me is focusing on thinking about things differently, or how do we bring better analytic rigor to find solutions.
I think great deals that we have done have always come out of, can we take this company from where it is today and bring it to a completely different place?
We really, truly believe that we have a duty to deliver what we promise, and we go to great lengths to do that. There's a sense of responsibility you need to have, and tenacity and grit, and I think people here have that.
The answer is thought through and worked through and considered and reconsidered and tested internally.
People are in the same mode, just trying to figure out exactly what the solution is, or if we can't get there, how can we get there? What is it that we can go out and ask? Who are the other people that we can tap? What are the other resources that we can go figure out? And just all be in the same boat, driving together towards that same answer.
We believe character matters. I don't really worry ever about the integrity of the people here, which is an awful lot to say around 1,000 people.
People at Bain Capital are high character people that operate with integrity, that operate with passion, and that operate collaboratively, that work together. I really do feel like the success that I have is the success of everyone around me, and I feel that everyone else feels the same way.
Well, I think ultimately people want to work with people that they can trust, that they can collaborate and they can have a genuine and real conversation.
And even as we've expanded products, and we started out just in the Boston office, now we have offices in the United States, in Europe, in Asia, and Australia. We always make sure that as we're adding a new product or a new office, that we're starting with who are the right people that we want to work with.
We make impact in everything we do. We commit to making an impact in our families and our communities and our businesses, and that's just a great legacy.
I think it's very special to be part of somewhere that has a very proud past and an exciting future. But I think that we have
what has been an incredible 3 decades, but so much ahead of us.
I take great pride in the fact that I get to work at Bain Capital and I get to work with the caliber of folks that we have inside this complex around the world. And it doesn't go unnoticed by the rest of the community I live in and the community I work in.
I think it's very important as the next generation that we continue to find ways to be a stronger One Bain Capital. And I think for me, seeing the commonality of our values, I think brings the firm together.
What excites me the most today is this incredible team that we've built and the opportunity that we have in front of us.
I feel that we've transformed organizations and industries for the better, and we do that through the creativity that we deploy. We do that through the intelligence that we bring to our investment process and then working with our companies afterwards. And we do that through the work that we do philanthropically.
We all come together every day to do really, really interesting work. And I think back to when it was 10 people or 20 people and remind myself how lucky we are to have taken the journey that we have. And I can't wait to see what the next 30 years holds.